Hi everyone, this is Sabrina. I'm working on the summer kitchen area, and this is one of the worst areas. I just want to show you, so I'll take suggestions. So basically, this is my old bedroom out of the old farmhouse, and then there was a nursery there and a bathroom. So what happened is, after the fire, they had me build a well house over here. Well, that's great. We're doing a patch on the roof because they had to pull the well. But so then they said for another 10-20,000 they can move everything from the well house, or it's a old cellar. They said it's 300 years old. I mean, everything, the stone is like 3 by 5. I don't even know how they moved those back then, all the way through different pieces. And they said, keep it, it could be a wine cellar. You would regret moving everything and spending that money. They said, just put a office up there, or for me, since I lost my big greenhouse, well, my conservatory, it was hooked to the house and it was glassed in. I decided that I would keep it, and I could put a greenhouse with the plastic and everything. So this used to be the summer house, or the well house. Now it's the summer kitchen. This is going to be the well house, which is going to be my greenhouse. And then here, all we had was a barbecue pit. That was the first thing we bought, besides socks and underwear and a toothbrush. We put it here, and then I went to a garage sale and got this furniture really quickly, because where are you going to sit? I mean, we're pretty much homeless. So now that everything's over, I need to work on that greenhouse, and we've done everything we can to keep it dry, the new floor and everything. So I wish these had come out, but they said, oh no, those bushes are still good. Well, now I don't have a chainsaw because that went up in the house fire. And that's my water here. So what I'm thinking is, and it was the little nursery. So, or you can make it into a big walk-in closet, I guess. I mean, big. But until I get money to do that, I think I'm gonna put this pot here. I got this at a garage sale. And then I have a bush that'll go in and it'll kind of hide that. I'm gonna raise it up a little higher. And so I have a peach tree down there. I don't want to hurt that. But my plan is to put the greenhouse up, but they said I get one side, it'd be like a fake sided one, so it wouldn't be plastic on that side, everything else would be plastic. And then make it match to this, and then it would look great. So, and then this temporary sink, this was the only sink we had when it wasn't frozen, which was most of the time. I want to move that and build a cabinet here. But so until then, I'm just doing a temporary. I got this pot at a garage sale a year and a half ago at a garage sale. I got it for like $2. It's a really expensive pot. So I'm going to fill it with styrofoam to about here. Put the thing, I may put another plant there, maybe some lemongrass. I don't want to block the sun too much. We want some. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, I have to move the tarp and stuff, and that wood's not always going to be on there, but it helped a little bit. So what I did is the Pipa cast stone, the big pot I got here, I filled it about more than half with another bucket upside down, then put styrofoam. I want to be able to move it when they do come in and put the greenhouse in. So that's in there. And then I put this pot here, And basically, this is a holly, Oregon grape holly. Oops, sorry. And that'll fill in, and I'm going to put flowers. Now, and then I have a pot down there, which I thought I'd put something in there. I don't know what. At first I thought, oh, some basil, because we cook right here. That would be amazing, but I'm not sure. I guess there's a lot of sun, and it comes in, and it'll bake this plant here. And I thought about putting something up here, but I'm not sure down here if it'll do anything. But I think it's way better. I filled the pot with organic matter, and then I used the Nature's Care. And then, oh, and I forgot. This is a Proven Winners here. It's a great plant. Lil Kim Althea. So basically it says, here I'll hold it up so you can see. It's a miniature, dark green foliage, white flowers, and red eyes in the summer. So with that being said, I thought about either putting these in around it or these in. Both stay really low, or just the good old vinca. So tell me what one you like the best. I guess all of them would go well there. So, because I wanted some color. And so, and I didn't want to do red because it said it was going to be red. Then I thought, well, maybe I should put something that keeps bugs away. So good old marigolds could go in there too. So, but they get really tall, so. All right, that's it. The first episode of doing the summer kitchen area. I need to hit the lotto. I really do. I need to get my greenhouse up, get rid of that mess. Well, it's building materials, and then I'm finished. The next one that we're going to do, I'm just going to do the stone pathway. All right, have a great day, and there's some pictures after this. Bye.